What if I told you you can now book an unreserved train ticket online even while you are traveling?
What?
Sounds impossible, right? I mean the UTS app? Nope, not that one. But with the Indian Railways new RailOne app, that's exactly possible. So what's that special option and how does it work? Let's find out together. Welcome to Rail Map India. Let's jump in right now. Imagine if you're traveling in a train from Bangalore to Chennai. From Chennai, you have to go to your home. You have to take another one suburban train. So what you will do? So get down at Chennai Central or Perambur. You have to get out of the station and take a ticket and then board a suburban train. I'll show you a method how to book a unreserved ticket while traveling. This UTS app is coming in your mind. Nope, I am not talking about this app because you can't book an unreserved ticket through this app while you're traveling or while near to the railway track. You have to be out for some 20 meters to take the unreserved ticket. So what's the other option? In the new RailOne app, there is an option to book an unreserved ticket while you're traveling. I'll demo this now.
This option will get enabled within 20 kilometers from your destination.
And that's all. Your unreserved ticket done and dusted with a few taps. If this helped you, smash the like button, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.